Hello guys, this one is a 2018 customer complaint. The truck that the tailgate doesn't open, even hitter push the button. So you can see the slightly moving actuator and rod, and even doesn't work and it doesn't open. So I'm gonna show how to replace this actuator motor, and you need to first remove this tailgate panel and start it to 20 size, and then now you can access the tailgate, the actuator motors here. So I have a new part here, and it shows part number beside on the box like this, and then now try to replace. Yeah, right here is new one. So I marked the hold the plastic beside, rather hold the plastic between holder, and then pops out the screwdrivers or flap screwdriver, you can use it, and it pops out holder retainer, and then move it away. Actually, latch rod is beside, and then now you remove the two 10mm nut. After remove the nut, just pull it out from the tailgate panel. You can see that one electric connector is here, and then remove the wire retainer from the actuator. So connect the electric connector first. It's so hard to reconnect the connectors. One hand is taking the video. So now put the back to the old mount to start, like this. And then tighten the two 10mm nut. So you put the rod back onto the own place, previous yellow mark between. So yeah, between yellow marks, put onto the rod holder, and then now it works fine. It's very good works. Thank you for watching.